Okay, let's see if we can apply that same knowledge when we see thousands. Do you remember how many hundreds are in 1,000? They're right there. If you count them up, there are 10 hundreds in 1,000. So if I have 3,000, how many hundreds is that? Well, we have 10 hundreds there, 10 hundreds here, and another 10 hundreds here. So 3,000 is the same as 10, 20, 30 hundreds. They have the same value. 3,000s has the same value as 30 hundreds. We just divided them up into 10 blocks to make 1,000. But we know that there are 10 hundreds in each of those blocks.